Well, I'm a person in long-term recovery, which for me means that I haven't used alcohol or any other substances in over 11 years. When I first came into recovery, I had not been to a doctor in probably more than 10 years. I was really afraid to go. I had done so many different substances and ingested so many different things. I was afraid of what I was going to find out. Plus, I was afraid of judgment. Here I am, this mom with all these kids. By the time I came into recovery, I had 4 children. I was terrified to get honest with someone for fear of what they would think or that they would judge me. My health continued to deteriorate, my work performance continued to deteriorate, and my ability to be a mom continued to deteriorate. I was lower income and I had no idea how to go about, getting to a doctor. Everybody else was my priority but me. And I was talking to a friend of mine one day and they told me about, back then it was called Jane Street, and they said, you should go try them because they will bill based on your income. I went in, they had everything right there, the lab and the pharmacy. They were really, really kind, very thorough. Working now at the Recovery and Wellness Center, we have partnered with Great Lakes Bay Health Centers to provide recovery coach services, and that really closes that circle of the overall wellness of folks. Folks will call or even walk in because we are a walk-in facility as well. I sit down and I just meet them where they're at, talk about what they've got going, and letting them know that they're talking with another person who's been on the other side of the desk or on the other end of the phone really helps to ease them into the environment. When somebody comes in to see me at the center, there's always a cup of coffee waiting or some hot water for tea. At the Recovery Center, we also offer support groups. They're open, all recovery support groups. Doesn't matter if you're on medication-assisted treatment, part of a 12-step community. If this is your only pathway, we're open to everyone. Recovery coaches have actually extended the length of time that folks stay in treatment. So people are staying engaged, and they're staying longer because recovery supports was added to the equation. Reminds me what a miracle, my life is. If you would have told me 12 years ago, that I would be sitting here offering hope to anybody, I wouldn't have believed you. I didn't have any hope.